Welcome to Thar versus Thar, the 2020 Thar that ushered in this design, and now we've got the upgrade with us. So what's different between the two of these vehicles? The 2025 gets a body-colored front grille, and the 2020 Thar, when it first launched, like the one over here, you can see it has an all-black grille. The 2025 version brings back the dual-tone front bumper, so you got the silver and the black. Yes, the 2025 Thar does have the dual-tone look on the front bumper, and so does my 2020 Thar. But Mahindra did stop this and went with an all-black look for a couple of years, and they finally brought it back. When it comes to the cabin of the new 2025 Thar, of course it's been spruced up quite a bit. It continues with that all-black theme. The seat fabric remains the same as what you get on the 2020, but what has changed is the front console. By and large, very similar, but it looks more like it's out of the Thar Rocks now rather than what you got in the 2020 model. So big changes include a brand new steering wheel. You've got neat steering mounted buttons over here. You've got the larger 26 centimeter touchscreen infotainment interface with new graphics, all of that happening, including your adventure stats, which is very cool on the new graphics as well. You get cup holders. You've got a driver armrest that slides, as well as added storage space over here. You've got your power window buttons on the doors now. They're no more in the center, like what you got on the 2020 Thar. You've got a nice grab handle over here on both sides for the front passengers, which I think is again a great addition on the 2025 and missing on the 2020. Apart from that, you've got your USB ports that continue over here, and you've got rear AC vents. So these are some of the big changes, but the number one change that I personally appreciate is the fact that you've got a remote fuel lid opener right next to the steering stalk now. And that is something that I really missed on the 2020, because every single time I had to do anything over there to get fuel was take out the key, hand it to the attendant on this side. He used to open it manually, pump it, give it back, then you start your vehicle. Now you don't need to do that anymore. So that's again one massive change between the 2025 and the 2020. Things that remain the same, well, you still get the sunglass holder glove box. You've got the roof mounted speakers, and all of that continues to be the same with the 2025 and the 2020. By and large, the design stays the same between the two models. As you can see, there's no change in terms of the body or the overall styling of the machine. Just a few highlights, but you do get a rear wash and wipe as well, which is again a welcome addition on the 2025 Mahindra Thar and was missing on the 2020. And if you own one, like I do, you'll know how much this means to you. So on that note, I'm not going to jump into engines because that's common between both the variants. You've got the two-wheel drive, the four-wheel drive, you've got the larger 2.2 liter M-Hawk, you've got the 1.5 liter, and you've got automatic and manual transmissions, both 6-speed. And of course, the one thing that remains standard across the Thar range is the fact that it can go off-roading like nobody's business. And you take it out, water wade, go through puddles, climb up a hill, do all of that, have a blast with it, because it still remains an amazing lifestyle vehicle that you can get in your garage. But before I leave, I just want to point out one small addition over here, and that is the addition of a rear camera. So you also get a reverse camera on the 2025 Thar. Mahindra's thought of the small things with this. That's the big change between the 2025 and the 2020. It was not about design language, it was about creature comforts, features, and convenience. And that's my take on what's different between the 2020 and the 2025. If you got any questions, you got something you want to ask me, feel free to write in. It's my promise and the MOTORSCRIBES promise that we answer every question that comes in on the channel.